Krishna, welcome to Satvik Lifestyle. Today we will see this healthy Samo Rajgira pizza. For this, I have cut the vegetables and you can cut the vegetables whatever you like. Carrots, tomatoes and red pepper. I have added the spices, oregano, chili powder and salt. For the base, I have added the Rajgira and Moreo powder. You can add these two along with water in 1:1:1.5 ratio. Mix it together and throw some seeds in it for protein and iron. I have thrown pumpkin seeds. Once the mixture is ready like a dosa dough, and then keep the kadai when it is warm. Add this mixture. Cook on both sides and turn on the other side. Spread this mixed vegetables along with spices. And add the cheese of your choice. I have added the mozzarella cheese, fresh ones, covered it. When cheese is melted, the pizza is ready. Thank you for watching. Hare Krishna.